What's up everyone, Peter here, and today I'm going to attempt to install ReactOS, yes this actually is an 8 GB flash drive, on to that Dell right there. Now there's a new version of ReactOS version that came out, 0.43. I have 0.40, which is the older alpha one, but tomorrow I'm going to do the newer version. Tomorrow I'm going to do the newer version. So what I'm going to do is to see if it'll work on this Dell. This Dell right here has a Pentium 4, 2.8 gigahertz, and 2 gigabytes of RAM, and a graphics card Geforce 6200 PCI only. So, okay, my plan is to install on this 40 gigabyte hard drive, which contains some macOS 10.5 installed for an iBook. So, now this computer has a 250 gig drive in it right now, but I don't want to reinstall Windows 7 on it because that'd be bad. So now I'm going to see what would be the best camera angle. There we go. There we go. You probably can't see well, but I'm connecting the drive. Okay, there we go. Hard drive's connected. And it's on carpet. So, and now I'm going to put the USB drive in and boot her up. Okay, now since another thing is, since this computer doesn't have a CMOS battery, I robbed it. Once I apply power, it's just going to boot up. It's going to start booting immediately. So, oh shit, I need a keyboard. And I'm going to need a keyboard and mouse. So let me just get my keyboard and mouse here, and we'll be on our way. Alright, we are ready. I am now going to apply power. As you see, the computer turned on automatically. Can you see though? Alright, now I gotta wait. There we go. Okay, so here it is. Pentium 4 processor, 2.8 gigahertz, 1 meg cache, 2 gigabytes of DDR SD RAM with 333. Boot sequence. Good. Drive. We don't. This does not have a floppy drive. Exit. Alrighty. Let's see if we can boot off the USB. There's our USB. Oh, loading SysLinux. Loading ReactOS. Alright, we're doing good. Okay, now one thing that I've heard about ReactOS is it does not like video cards for some reason. So if this computer blue screens, I'm just gonna pull the video card out and use the integrated. And this is going really slow, so I'll be back when it boots, because this iPad I'm recording doesn't have much space. Okay guys, so right here, this is a problem I've actually been having whenever I try to install something other than Windows or Ubuntu. Well, the older version. The problem is I'm stuck in this black screen. I don't know why, but I'm pretty sure it's just the Pentium 4 sucks. Right now, I'm actually going to pull the graphics card out and see if we can get past this. Video card is out. Here it is in all its glory. Now that it's out, I'm going to hook it up to the integrated and pray that this thing actually picks up integrated. It works. And now I gotta wait. Is that hard drive supposed to sound like that? Oh, booted. What the fuck? Oh, never mind. Alright, let's see how the Intel 845 or 9 Rail, whatever graphics the Pentium 4 has. See how this thing handles ReactOS. Because obviously, I've been having a load of fucking problems with this. I'm gonna cut to the boot. And we get the same thing. Oh well, looks like we have to try it on another fucking computer. Luckily I got another one. I will go set that up right now. Alright guys, I'm now going to just install ReactOS on this computer. This computer I know runs Linux 16, Linux, I ran 16, Linux is 16 on it, Ubuntu. Well, it also runs pretty much all the Microsoft operating systems known to man, because I installed as far as 98 and as recent as 10. It's got a 2.8 GHz Pentium D and 2.5 gigs of RAM and a 250 gig hard drive. But for the case of this, I'm just going to install this 40 gig hard drive here. Ah shit, do I have to take apart the front fucking panel? Great. Okay, there we go. Sorry guys, this is actually necessary to actually put anything in this computer. Oh damn, this, oh yeah. Oh, it looks like I'll have to unplug the optical drives. Great. No, I'm just going to unplug the optical drives. Now I'm going to plug in the blue cable, make sure it's whatever. Okay, IDE cable's connected. perfect. It's all connected. Now what? Now you just need to grab your. Now you just need to grab your favorite Molex power adapter. Which now I have a grit that actually cable manages this sucker. There we go. It's plugged in. I'm just gonna leave it like that. You know what? I'm actually gonna leave it like this because this thing is a pain in the ass to put together. Now I'm going to plug in the cable or the USB and power up the computer. Holy shit, it actually loaded up immediately. And now I'm going to wait for ReactOS to load. Hey guys, sorry for the very blown out view of the computer, but I don't have a tripod and I'm using an iPad. So as you see, nothing. Nothing. Does not like graphics cards. And that's the only computer that does not like graphics cards. So what am I going to do now? I do have one more idea. Well guys, looks like I'll have to use my main computer, which is this laptop, Lenovo T520. Core i7, 8GB of RAM awesomeness that cannot play any game whatsoever. So now I'm going to basically restart this computer, boot off of this thing, and if this actually gives me an installer screen, I'm going to replace a hard drive with something else, and then just install it on that, and there's my installation. So now I'm going to do that. Okay guys, here we go. Will it boot to ReactOS? Oh my god, it's actually working. Now, if this doesn't give me just a black screen with nothing on it, when I'm swapping out hard drives, period. And then what I'm gonna do is and then tomorrow I'll download the new ISO, upgrade, or do a clean install, and then I'll figure out what to do there. But let's see if this even works. Hello? ReactOS, where are you? Shit. Oh my god, did this mean I have to burn another CD? Alright guys, actually, you know what? I think I'm just going to burn the CD. Burn a CD tomorrow. It's not worth it. It's almost 9 o'clock and I'm going to bed, so before I end this video officially, what I am going to do is I'm going to show you how it should install in just a virtual machine on this computer. And I'll go back. Yeah, so it turns out that the ISO is designed to be burned to a CD and not a USB. So I'm going to install VirtualBox 040 on a in VirtualBox, and I'll show you how the installer goes, and then tomorrow I'm gonna download the latest ISO, and then put that on the USB. So I'm just, and then pray that it will actually boot to something other than a black screen. So I'm going to restart it. I'm going to start this VM. I'm going to be mashing the F12. So it'll boot straight to the 040 ISO. There we go. Perfect. Now I am going to set this thing to boot to CD-ROM. And now this is what it's supposed to look like. Yeah, sorry, it's really small, but basically this was supposed to get this. I use my language selection. Welcome to the setup. Press enter. And now right here, press enter to install. And also this thing only can use FAT file systems, and file system checks do not work. So now I'm just going to accept these device settings. Right there, you see, is the current partition. I've actually already reinstalled. I've actually already installed ReactOS. I'm just going to delete the partition. I'm just going to delete it, but who the fuck cares? I'm going to redo it from the enter key. Press D to delete hard disk partition. Okay, and now we got an unpartitioned hard disk, 40 gigs. Format. And there we go. And now it's just simply copying files. And my phone's going off, so oh, there we go. So now it's gonna have to install the bootloader. Sorry you can't see well. Here we install the bootloader to the hard disk, mouse bootloader, and what EVGA means. And now it's just to reboot your computer. Reboot. And now it should boot straight into, there we go. And now it's booting to ReactOS. It's going to install devices. Click next. Sorry for that quick cutout. Keep getting interrupting. And now it restarts again. Choose ReactOS. And since this is a VM and with nothing on it, it's going to boot immediately. Now it's going to... Ah, shit, I need the mouse. There we go. And that's how you install ReactOS. And I got to capture this thing. So there we go. That's obviously going to fail. Well, that should all fail. So now, alright, now I'm going to just quickly install. Now I'm just going to quickly add the VirtualBox guest edition, so I can have actual drivers. So pretty much just based on Windows XP. This is 040. This is actually the fastest installation of any operating system ever. My computer. CD drive and MB64 is x86. Now I'm just going to install VirtualBox guest editions. Reboot. And that is ReactOS in full colors. So we got audio. No active mixer devices, shit, no audio drive. The audio drives will not work. So there we go, that's ReactOS. I'm gonna make this a two-part video because it's just getting late and tomorrow I got stuff to do. So tomorrow I'm going to download the new ISO, put it on USB, and then put it on that Dell and hope it works. If not, I'll just burn a CD. That is it, and I'll see you later.